Welcome to a Vision POS Management tutorial. In this video, I will guide you about the sale form. Let's get started. Add a sale is a core function in POS systems that enables businesses to efficiently manage transactions and customer interactions. Here is the dashboard of our POS. For creating a sale form, first click the Sale section in the left corner of this dashboard. Now click Sale POS. Sale interface look like as this. We can search previous sales by filter the date. Moving on, for enter a new sale, click on Add New button at right corner of this screen. Now form will appear to you. First select the rate type. Then select date and select item that you have to sale. Now select salesman name. You see number of items in stock will be auto appear. Press ESC key for sale. A form will appear where you have to select payment method for sale. Now fill the required data of customer and add the discount if you want to give. Add tax, cash received, return, change, and submit form. Now finally you can see your sale will be enter in dashboard screen. Wait for a while. As soon as sale receipt is generating you can print it by click is print button at the bottom of screen. To modify or remove a member's information, you can use the edit or delete buttons in the action column. In our next video, we'll demonstrate how to use the edit feature in the add member form. Thanks for watching.